Hello everyone, I am Mark Eugene Magalang, a grade 12 student of Linao National High School. And I will do an experiment and I titled it Factors Affecting the Rate of Chemical Reaction. The Magic of Vinegar and Baking Soda. And this is all about the factors affecting rate of chemical reaction, which is the concentration of a particle. But before that, let's discuss what is chemical reaction. What is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process where one or more substances change into one or more new substances. Example of this is starting and ending materials differ, often irreversible, may change color, may change temperature, may produce odor, may release bubbles or gas, may release sound or light. So, the video I'm doing is an example of may release bubbles or gas. So, these are the factors affecting the rate of reaction. First, concentration of solution. The higher the concentration, the higher the rate of reaction. Second, temperature. The higher the temperature, the higher the rate of reaction. Third, catalyst. There are two types of catalyst, the positive catalyst and negative catalyst. In positive catalyst, it increases the rate of reaction, and in negative catalyst, it reduces the rate of reaction. Total surface area. For some amount of reactant, particles with a smaller size has bigger total surface area. The bigger the total surface area, the higher the rate of reaction. Fifth, pressure. Only affect the reaction involve gas as reactant. The higher the pressure, the higher the rate of reaction. So, the materials we will use is 2 cups, then vinegar, baking soda, and 2 tablespoons. First step is put vinegar in the cup. And second step, put baking soda in the vinegar and see how it reacts. The more the baking soda you put in the vinegar, the more carbon dioxide and bubbles will create. And the lower baking soda you put in the vinegar, the lower carbon dioxide and bubbles will create. So, that's all. Thanks for watching.